We all have been there, and we feel that one more certification in our bucket will help us and give us that dream job or make us expert in that particular area. But that's not the case. Certification is not a magic ticket to your dream job. Hi everybody, this is Gauri Guglani and I am currently working with NTT Data as an analytics consultant, and in this video I will explain you why not to run behind certifications. We'll discuss how to stop chasing blindly to add certifications in your bucket blindly, and what you should instead focus on truly to get that one job which you're looking for. Before starting ahead, I want to specifically tell that gave many interviews, but not even in a single interview anybody asked me about my certification which I have done, or if I've mentioned any certification in my resume, they have asked to show me. Never. So, with this, what we understand that recruiters or the technical interviewers do not care about certifications. They purely care about your practical implementation, your skills, and what exact work you have done. Certifications are just tools, okay? You have to remember that. They are just tools. They can help you sometimes, but you cannot have that mindset that if I learn and if I get this one more certification in my resume, I will get shortlisted. No, this is not going to happen. A certification without practical knowledge and implementation is just waste and it's just a piece of paper. Instead of just collecting and collating all the certifications and doing different courses, better focus on learning skills which will help you giving answers in your interviews. So focus on learning practical based, implementation based learning instead of just going through lots and lots of hours of tutorial to get that one piece of paper which is waste of certification. So if you have given interviews in the past, you might know that people mostly they ask about what exactly you have learned and what practical experience you have. They ask about your experience in that skill. They do not ask, oh, you have that certification? Let's get this person in. You are shortlisted. We'll send you the offer letter till evening. This is never the case, right? You also know that. What is what exactly is needed in the market is your practical approach and your implementation work, your projects, your experience which you have done. So in short, the real practical experience matters, not the certification. It's not your certifications which sets you apart, of course. It's your skills and ability to solve problems which sets you apart. So I will suggest please stop running behind certifications. Also, if you feel no, I am not doing certification to add in my resume, I am doing to understand and learn things. But what you people do is you will learn full course and then you will not apply and you will not implement it. If you're not implementing that course, if you're not practically solving the problems, there is no use of even doing 50-hour course but just watching the tutorials but not implementing a single thing. That's a waste of time and waste of your efforts. So if that's your approach, please stop doing right away. As I mentioned, only and only thing which will get you a job, which will get you any opportunity, even freelancing opportunity, it's only your practical experience and the way you solve your problems, the skill set you bring to the table. And that too, everything done practically, not just through words, not just through showing through your resume, and not just proving that you know that skill through your certification. Always remember, skills speak louder than your certifications. Save time and save your money. Whenever you're planning to take any certification, always ask yourself whether this certification will align with my role. Should I really take it? Is it necessary? Can I study or can I learn this skill without taking the certification or not? See, currently we have plenty of free resources on YouTube, but people want to buy paid courses. Why? Because no idea. Even though they are worthless, still you have to buy. You have to pay money and you have to buy the courses. Irrelevant thing. Better search on YouTube first. Take small tutorials. Break down your skill into different parts and then search that parts on YouTube and see if you can get correct content related to your profile or not. Please save your energy on skills which will directly impact your career instead of watching tutorials and just waste your time in the intent to add a certification in your resume. And even though suppose if you're thinking that I have to take a certification, always think ROI, return on investment. People are spending lakhs on certifications and they are expecting that they will get placed also. I have also made a video on this. I will attach that link below in the description box. Watch that video. People are paying lakhs to get certification and to get placement, but what they get in the end is a certification which is a normal paper, and they don't practice skills because they expect that they will get placement automatically, and there are no placements also there. So always choose wisely. Please save your and your parents' money. Do not waste it. YouTube is actually, I completed my 3 years of bachelor's of IT only by studying through YouTube. I was completely into YouTube. Used to understand all the basic concepts also from YouTube. Used to do practical implementation also from YouTube. But then in 21 I did a mistake of taking a course which was not worth of my money, and I regretted it later, of course. And I don't want you to regret it. So better, please think twice. Please ask seniors, read the reviews on Quora if you're taking some hi-fi heavy investment courses. There are many reviews on Quora also, there are many reviews online also. People even complaints also on the consumer portal. So do it wisely, do not take any decision in hurry. Always remember, certifications are not the lift to get you to a dream job. You have to take the help of staircase by working on your skills, by working on the practical approach. Let me know in the comment section what you think about certification. Do you still believe that you need to do more certification to get job, or what's your take on that? Thank you for watching. Please do share and subscribe this video with your friends if you feel this was impactful and will help you in taking decision in your journey. See you in the next one. Bye.